Forget the reservations. This is the 90-second recipe for a jaw-dropping Valentine's dinner. Saffron scallops, sophisticated, non-alcoholic, and ready faster than takeout. Start your risotto base, sauté the shallots, toast the rice, and immediately introduce the star, the saffron liquid. The rule of risotto: patience and heat. Add hot broth, one ladle at a time, stirring constantly until the rice is perfectly al dente. This takes about 20 minutes total, but your stirring montage only takes 17 seconds. Now for the star protein. Pat your scallops dry. Moisture is the enemy of sear. Season them heavily and get your pan smoking hot. Oil must shimmer. Sear exactly 90 seconds per side. Don't touch them. Get that perfect crust. This is where the restaurant quality comes to life. Back to the risotto. Off the heat, we Montecare. Finish it with cold butter, rich Parmesan, and a splash of lemon juice for brightness. The key is movement until it flows like lava. Plate your velvety risotto, top with the golden scallops, and dust with fresh lemon zest. This is elevated, effortless romance. Happy Valentine's Day! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more viral